Justice James Omotosho of the Federal High Court, Abuja, has dismissed the no-case submission made by the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, in the terrorism charges filed against him by the federal government. Our correspondent Kanu'S completes the story.
The judge, while delivering ruling on Friday on the no-case submission, held that the Department of State Security Services prosecuting Kanu on behalf of the federal government has established a prima facie case against the IPOB leader and that Kanu has questions to answer in terrorism charge preferred against him. Justice Omotosho held that it is in the best interest of Kanu to be given the opportunity to clear some of the issues raised against him in the terrorism charges. Although the judge held that he had not evaluated the credibility of the witnesses who testified against Kanu and the avalanche of exhibits tendered during the trial to determine their probative value, he was inclined to order the defendant to clear some of the grey issues. In another ruling, the court ordered the president of the Nigerian Medical Association to constitute a team of medical experts to ascertain the health status of the leaders of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. The committee was given 8 days to submit its report to the court on whether to transfer Kanu to the National Hospital in Abuja for treatment or not. Although the legal team of the federal government declined to speak with journalists, the defense counsel spoke on the day's proceedings.
It simply requires Nnamdi Kanu, the defendant, to enter his defense. It's not a pronunciation of guilt or not guilty. So that is why it's called a no-case submission. So the judge made a ruling that there's a prima facie evidence that needs to be explained. So in common parlance, it calls on him to come and mount his own defense. It wasn't in evidence that the Nigerian Medical Association has intervened. So it came as a surprise, but there's a short date given of 8 days for the NMA to submit its report. So somebody is ill, I don't think NIA is going to change much of that. But I think the judge wanted to leave the record open to admit every possible evidence regarding this matter.
To try Nnamdi Kanu, because that particular issue of being a victim of extraordinary rendition must be determined, and that one will be whether they will be the one that will confer jurisdiction on the court. And the court said there is no evidence before him. Now we are going to supply evidence before him that Nnamdi Kanu was extraordinary rendition. Then, having done that, there is no case to answer.
The judge has fixed October 8 for the court to receive the NMA report, which will thereafter be used to determine a date for continuation of trial. From the Federal High Court in Abuja, Ujo, Galaxy TV.